of what is fascism. It says it's the exercise of blatant dictatorship by the bourgeoisie, which is the capitalist-imperialist, the people who run this system, the class of people who run this, the corporations, the banks, and all of this, and their political representatives in Congress and the courts and all of that. But fascism as blatant dictatorship means they are ruling through reliance on open terror and violence. And that's what he was calling for in Tulsa. Trampling on what are supposed to be civil and democratic and legal rights, wielding the power of the state. Now remember, in this struggle around Black Lives Matter, just 2 weeks ago, he said we got to bring out the military, and they did that, and there was a pushback, but they did do it with Black Hawk helicopters and everything, and mobilizing organized groups of fanatical thugs to commit atrocities against masses of people, particularly groups of people who are identified as enemies, undesirables, and dangers to society. If this comes to power, man, what is that going to mean? This means that, all these things, all the forms of struggle that people think they can rely on, even at cost today, at cost of prison, being arrested, kettled, pepper sprayed, rubber bullets, all of this becomes a whole different thing qualitatively, just the way mass deportations under Obama has become concentration camps and pretty much a shutdown of the borders under Donald Trump and the Trump-Pence regime.